Under the silvery moonlight of Twilight Grove, a curious kitten named Pippa found a shimmering seed nestled beneath a leafy fern. With a gentle paw, she buried it in the soft earth and whispered her wish for a friend. That very night, the seed sprouted, unfurling glowing leaves that shimmered like stars. From its branches tumbled a tiny, playful fox with fur as bright as dawn. Pippa and her new friend danced beneath the magical tree, their laughter lighting up the grove. Each night, the tree glowed brighter, a beacon of their blossoming friendship and endless wonder.